ជាបន្តទៅទីនេះ VOA សូមជូនកម្មវិធីរៀនគ្រាមភាសាអង់គ្លេស English with Manny and Mori នៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីនេះគឺយើងណែនាំឃ្លាគ្រាមភាសាអង់គ្លេសតាមបែបអាមេរិកកាំងសួស្តី Manny
សួស្តី Mori
Manny ថ្ងៃនេះនាំឃ្លាអ្វីដែរមកជូនប្រិយមិត្តរបស់យើង
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានឃ្លាមួយគឺ actions speak louder than words
actions speak louder than words អូខ្ញុំដឹងន័យឃ្លាហ្នឹងស្ដាប់ទៅងាយយល់មិនសមថាជាឃ្លាគ្រាមភាសាទេ Manny
That's right Mori it doesn't sound like it's an idiom at all more like an expression but since you and I are going to talk about it today let's roll the video and we can talk about it in a little bit
Welcome to English in a Minute. Now, what would you think if you heard this?
Actions speak louder than words.
If you are just beginning to learn English, this might not make sense. Let's listen and see if we can find out what this phrase means.
You keep saying that you'll help me.
I'm going to help you. Really, I am. You just have to wait a little while.
Well, we'll just wait and see. Actions speak louder than words.
It sounds like she needs to see action instead of words. And that's exactly what this phrase means. Actions speak louder than words means what you do is more important than what you say. And if you say you are going to do something, then you need to do it. This is a casual phrase, but it does have a strong meaning, especially in American business, where results are important. And that's English in a Minute.
Since you already mentioned that you know this idiom, why don't you tell our viewers what it means?
ចាប្រិយមិត្តជាទីមេត្រីដូច្នេះឃ្លាថា actions speak louder than words គឺមានន័យថាការអនុវត្តការធ្វើតែម្ដងគឺសំខាន់ជាងការដែលយើងគ្រាន់តែនិយាយថានឹងធ្វើឬសន្យាចោលត្រូវទេ Manny?
That's right, Mori. Actions speak louder than words basically means can you be trusted? Because you can make all the promises in the world, but if you don't live up to it, then I can't trust you and I cannot trust what you have to say.
ចាត្រូវហើយ Manny ជាការសំខាន់បើសិនជាយើងបានសន្យាជាមួយនរណាម្នាក់ហើយយើងត្រូវតែគោរពតាមការសន្យារបស់យើងបើមិនអញ្ចឹងទេគេលែងទុកចិត្តយើងហើយ Manny ឃ្លាហ្នឹងយើងប្រើនៅក្នុងស្ថានភាពយ៉ាងម៉េចទៅ
Yes, for example, if you are a president or a prime minister of a nation and you promise your people that you are going to do something, well, Mori, you deliver.
ចាបើសិនជាយើងជានាយករដ្ឋមន្ត្រីជាប្រធានាធិបតីនៃប្រទេសណាមួយយើងបានសន្យាជាមួយប្រជាពលរដ្ឋអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវតែគោរពធ្វើតាមការសន្យានោះ Manny អាចឲ្យឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀតបានទេ
Okay, let's say that you are a CEO or a president of a company and you promise your workers that you are going to increase their salaries. You do whatever you can to make that happen.
ចាត្រូវហើយការពិតទៅមិនចាំបាច់តែជានាយករដ្ឋមន្ត្រីជាប្រធានាធិបតីឬក៏ជានាយកក្រុមហ៊ុនប្រធានក្រុមហ៊ុនទេត្រូវគោរពតាមការសន្យានោះគឺយើងគ្រប់គ្នាត្រូវព្យាយាមគោរពតាមការសន្យារបស់យើងពីព្រោះ actions speak louder than words
That's right Mori your words are everything or else you are all talk and no action
Oh all talk and no action នេះឃ្លាមួយទៀតហើយត្រូវនឹងភាសាខ្មែរយើងគឺមានន័យថាបានតែទ្រឹស្ដីតែគ្មានការអនុវត្ត
That's right Mori
អរគុណច្រើន Manny សម្រាប់ឃ្លា2នៅសប្តាហ៍នេះ
You're welcome Mori
ហើយនៅសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយសូមប្រិយមិត្តកុំភ្លេចទស្សនាឃ្លាថ្មីទៀតនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធី English with Manny and Mori
See you next time